Hello moms, this is Venki Mama. Thank you for watching this video. If you have OnePlus 13 or OnePlus 13R mobile and if you are facing any heat issue, just do these two things. You will resolve this heat issue for sure. I tried this and it worked for me. Only thing you need to do is, so open the settings on your mobile and go to software update option, system and updates, and find the software update option. Okay. In case there is an option to update, just do it. This update will help you install the software patches. So that software patches will automatically close the applications which are not in use and running in the background. And the second option is go to Play Store. On the top right corner, you will find your name, saying your first letter of your name, for example, V. And click on that. You will find the first option, Manage Apps and Devices. Click on it. Okay. Come to the second option called Updates Available. Okay, just click on Update All. So this update all option will update all the applications in one go. So if you are using any application, okay, and at the same time, if the same application is getting updated in the background, means that will consume more battery, because more work or double work you will be putting, right? So this double burden will consume more battery. So by doing this update all option, the app will be updated, and when you use it, only one work or one burden will be on the battery. So this will not consume more battery. So this is best option. This is one another option to eradicate. So that's it. Just follow these two tips, that will eradicate your heat issue on phone. This works for every mobile, not only for OnePlus 13 or 13R. It works for every mobile, like even iPhone 16 and iPhone 15 also. When you charge or use any applications like gaming, every applications will sometimes make the mobile heat. So this will eradicate. So just follow these two tips. And before closing this video, please subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer, and like my video. Definitely I'll make these small videos, technical videos, to help you better. Okay, thank you.